I haven't slept properly in the past 1 month. ठीक है, because I'm like, why am I wasting time on sleep when I can make a video or I can edit stuff. ठीक है, I'm like, why am I wasting time? Why am I not being productive? ठीक है, तो अगर मैं सो नहीं रहा, why would I prefer sitting closing my eyes and brain को consciously मैं कह
Because
रहा हूँ कि
that will
don't think
make you
about this, don't think
productive.
about this. हाँ,
Because that will make you productive. If
right.
you're not sleeping, you're depriving yourself of sleep. But when you're meditating, you're getting yourself into a focus zone. So that anyways is going to make you productive. The fact is people think यार 20 minute time waste इतने में मैं कितना कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
Hmm.
But that is fact ना. What is the difference between a power nap and a lazy nap or a deprived sleep person? Lazy वाला person उठेगा नहीं. Sleep deprived person का दिमाग नहीं चलेगा. But power nap वाला बंदा उठ के कर भी लेगा 1 घंटे में काम पूरा. So
Hmm.
that is what meditation can be like, your power nap or recharge wala process where you're like zone and go ahead.
Right.
So that
Those
is a,
15
but
minutes
for
will
that
give
you need to
you
experience.
probably 1 extra hour.
Yeah, right. Could be like actually, because
Yeah.
like you are focused and everything, na, so you have more to give out.
Precisely.
Zyada. Mm.
Precisely.
Talking about तुम्हारा जैसे we started off with के the curious part of why you guys started or everything कि you
Hmm.
were curious, that's why you guys got interested in all this. तो
Huh.
curiosity is also for people who are into science. ठीक है, people choose
Absolutely.
science के. So where is the connection spirituality with science? Because most of the people disregard it as कि ये तो कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, कोई बैकअप नहीं है, मैं तो कूल हूँ, मैं नहीं
हाँ
करूंगा.
हाँ हाँ मैं
हाँ,
यही बोलने वाला था मैं पता है यही बोलने वाला था साइंस इज बेस्ड ऑन लॉजिक
right.
एंड बिकॉज इट हैज बिकम सो फेमस अभी के टाइम में वी फील लॉजिक इज द ओनली वे टू थिंक.
Hmm.
But if you look at your whole day, there will be moments where you're not thinking logically, but going with an instinct or an intuitive thought where you're like, नहीं यार, I know ये करना शायद better, but ये कर लेते हैं. इससे कुछ हो जाएगा. This should work. Like our grandmas would have the best instinct. Have you ever looked at your grandma or grandpa? तुम्हें बुखार होगा, तुम्हें चोट लगती, they'll just know what to do.
Yeah.
और have you seen these over dramatized movies where बच्चे को 10 किलोमीटर दूर चोट लगती है and माँ is like मेरा बच्चा.
Yeah.
Although all that I know is a exaggeration, but a little part of it is actually true. It happens, it works.
नहीं,
I
the
mean,
grandpa grandma वाला part can be justified also because उनका experience ज़्यादा था, they know what to do.
experience.
Yeah.
हाँ,
So
experience.
it's
But like science is absolutely based on logic. कि भाई logic. अब पता है the problem with spirituality is it is not visible.
hmm.
Science may if I make a machine, I make an invention, it is visible to you. But for spirituality, you need to be able to perceive it or to be able to feel it. And to feel it, it takes time. It takes energy, it takes effort to feel it because it's very subtle. As I just
You,
said, starting में मैंने
you
बोला
can't
था,
write.
beyond the mind,
You
beyond the
can't
body.
write.
हाँ, you can't write?
I'm saying you can't write feelings on a research paper. You can write science on a research
Precisely.
paper. That is the thing.
Right.